Voxforge features, strengths, weaknesses. Voxforge, while now effectively defunct, remains an important historical milestone in open-source speech recognition. Its primary feature was, and still is in its archive form, a freely available database of transcribed speech, contributed by volunteers globally. Think of it as a massive crowdsourced effort to build a speech recognition training corpus. It catered specifically to researchers, developers, and hobbyists interested in building and training their own acoustic models, particularly for languages underserved by commercial speech recognition engines. The core strength of Voxforge was its open and collaborative nature, allowing anyone to download and use the data without licensing fees, thereby democratizing access to speech data. Furthermore, its multilingual focus, even if unevenly distributed, provided a valuable resource for lower-resource languages, enabling the development of speech technologies that might otherwise not exist. Another key advantage was the standardized format in which data was presented and recorded, greatly aiding reproducibility and comparative research. However, Voxforge suffered from significant weaknesses. The quality of the audio recordings was highly variable, ranging from clean studio recordings to noisy environments with inconsistent microphone setups. This variability introduced considerable challenges for model training, requiring extensive data cleaning and pre-processing. Moreover, the transcription accuracy wasn't consistently verified, leading to errors and inconsistencies in the labels, which in turn degraded the performance of trained models. The dataset was also heavily biased towards specific demographics and speaking styles, limiting the generalizability of models trained on Voxforge data to broader populations. Furthermore, the project's reliance on volunteer contributions resulted in uneven data distribution across languages, with some languages being well represented while others remained significantly under-resourced. The lack of active maintenance and updates for many years led to outdated data and a lack of support for modern speech recognition techniques. In conclusion, Voxforge served as a pioneering initiative and contributed significantly to the advancement of open-source speech recognition. Its freely available data facilitated research and development, particularly for low-resource languages. However, its weaknesses in data quality, transcription accuracy, and data distribution ultimately limited its practical applicability for building robust and commercially viable speech recognition systems. Today, while direct contributions have ceased, the archived data continues to be used, often supplemented with more modern and curated datasets to address the limitations of the original Voxforge corpus.